Question. How much more money would you have if your debt was zero? People say, Brian, you live a stress-free life. I do. I don't let a whole lot bother me. Why? Because the burden, credit card bills, nope. Car notes, nope. Student loan, nope. See, when your debt is zero, you don't need, no one owns you. So you can't come get nothing. See what I'm saying? When you owe everybody, that stuff is theirs. You putting stuff on credit card. Remember this. Interest is the penalty you pay for the right to own things in advance you cannot afford. Let me say that again. Interest is the penalty you pay for the right to own things in advance you cannot afford. So if it's that important to you, what you're saying is, I can't afford it, so I'm going to give you more than it's worth because I need it now. I got to have that purse. I got to have those shoes. I got to have that suit. So I got to go on this vacation. So I'm going to swipe for it, and I'm going to pay for 2 vacations even though you're giving me 1. I'm going to pay for 2 pairs of shoes even though you're giving me 1. I'm going to swipe and get interest on this stuff because I need it when? Now. And big business puts billions of dollars into making you feel like you have to have it now. Billions of dollars. Psychology, the colors, the music, the time of day, the commercials are played, all of that plays into the marketing and it plays into your psyche. It works or they wouldn't be billion-dollar businesses. That's why they run all the depression commercials at night. You ain't even depressed, but after that, you feel like it. You're like, are you sleepy? It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. Have you been tired? Lately? Are your wheels spinning? They have. You're the happiest person in the world. After that commercial, you're like, I need some Rutathol. You wouldn't even think about Rutathol. Did you ever notice in the commercials, everybody look happy? It's for something that's killing people. But they show the finest lady in the world. She run on the beach. They show the most handsome guy in the world. He fit. But you don't listen to what they saying because it don't match the images. You're like, wait a minute, you looking safe, you happy? Depression, we talking about depression and 2 people hug and then you're like, wait a minute, I need some of that. The marketing works. It's 3 a.m., of course you sleepy. That's big business, boy, it ain't no joke. So you got to minimize big business.